I royally effed up and accidentally deleted my personal website like a dummy, and now I need to rebuild it. So what better way than to show you guys how quickly I can build a website from start to finish using no code. Today we're going to be using Cursor, ChatGPT, and we're going to be setting up a Next.js project. For all you tech nerds, you know, but for those guys that don't know, it's just essentially like a web application that the website's going to be hosted on. So here's what really happened. I'm not joking. So here is my website. It was hosted on ClickFunnels, and I completely forgot that I canceled my ClickFunnels a month ago, and I just found out that my website is still there, but I can't do anything with it. So I can't save it, I can't do anything, so I'm pretty much screwed, so I need to do it. But here's the best thing. I've obviously been focusing on AI, automation, all of the fun stuff with no-code development, as you've seen on my YouTube channel. If you guys are first time coming here, welcome to Marcin AI. I'm showing you tutorials in under 10 minutes, and this is going to be one of them. So I'm going to be building this website in 10 minutes. So why don't we start the timer as we do in all the other videos. And if you guys haven't seen the other videos, make sure you take a look. We've done a bunch of 10-minute challenges. So here it is. The clock has officially started. So as I've showed you, can't access my website. It's completely gone. So what I'm going to try to do though is I'm going to try to download the website and see if I can save at least the images and all the different text associated with it. So let me see what I can do here. And again, this is all in real time, no edits. And that's the way I like to do these challenges, to make sure we get something that's really, really raw and uncut. I might curse a few, might crack a bad joke here or there. So let's do this. Let's just try saving this. Let me see, save as. This might just actually work. Let's make a new folder called Marcin website. And let's save it. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, we got Marcin website. There. Okay, so that's the text. Let me see if I can open this. Let me see if we got it. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So CSS. It did download the whole thing. Beautiful. So this is going to save us a lot of time. Is there images? Oh, there is. Nice. Yep. So we got ClickFunnels logo. There's my logo, and hopefully I get the images. Yep. Perfect. I got my profile pic. I got the one holding up. All right. So we're good. So we got the original content. That's a huge part of this. So that's going to save us a lot of time. All right, we got 8.5 minutes left. So let's just jump right into it. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Cursor. If you guys aren't familiar with Cursor, it's a no-code development tool that we're going to be using. And all we have to do is go to our desktop AI projects. Let's create a new folder called Marcin_website. Make sure there's no spaces because Cursor doesn't like that. So now we're going to go open a file folder, find our folder, AI projects, Marcin website. And we're going to be doing a Next.js project. For all the tech heads, you know what that is. For those of you that don't know, think of it as we're creating an application that's going to be on the web. So it's not going to be like a traditional website with HTML code and stuff like that. It's going to be an app that's going to be on the web. So it's called a web app, because I think just seeing the technologies there, you can do a lot more really cool stuff with animations or the visuals. So no further ado, let's just jump right into it. So the first thing we want to do is actually launch that Next.js project. So really simple. I want to create a Next.js project for my website. Can you set up everything? So what this will do, this will just set up all of your architecture. You could say like a template. Think of it as like a template. Can you set up the project for me in this folder? For me in this folder. So here's the thing with Cursor. There are two modes. There's a normal mode, as you can see here, and this will essentially give you the different prompts and different things that you need to do yourself. I'm going to skip all that. I'm going to go straight to the agent. Now I want the agent to take over my computer and essentially do everything for me. Makes it really simple. So we're going to hit submit. And now the agent is going to say, I'm going to help set up a Next.js project. It's going to say run the code. It's going to ask me if I want to install it. I'm going to say yes. So here, and I'm going to say yes. And then yes. And here we go. So now what it's doing is it's initializing the project with template. So it's going to install the newest version of Next.js. And what it's going to do also, it's going to install all these dependencies. So React, React DOM, Next, all that good stuff, typecast, Tailwinds, all the stuff that you need in order for your website to look and modern, make it feel really, really nice. You don't have to know what it is, but I just want you to know that's installing all this stuff in the back end. So now, if you go to our folder, look at this. We now have like 50 files that the AI has already created for us. So this is amazing, right? We essentially have a website. So now what we do is you do npm run dev. So what this will do is this command will allow you to actually see the website that you just created locally. And voila. So within 2 seconds, oh, actually it took 4 minutes, but now we have a template. So this is a good starting point. So now we're gonna go back in here. I'm gonna now create a folder called images. Within the images folder, I wanna now move over my images that we got so I could have all my good stuff in here. So let's go logo, let's go Marcin headshot, and let's go holding my ClickFunnels award. So let's go images. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna say, oh, actually, you know what? Before we do that, we're gonna go to ChatGPT, and now we're going to take my text from the website here. I'm gonna show you what I did is I said, can you update my personal website to represent Marcin AI? I want to be all about working with AI automation, no-code development, and all of the text surrounding SaaS and building. I'm basically updating my website. I used to do a lot of affiliate marketing, e-commerce consulting, but now since I've really shifted into creating content on YouTube for you guys, I want to kind of make sure that that all aligns. And moving full time into AI, I want to update my website. So let's do that. So the first thing it's going to do is it's going to take it and it's going to update it. So let's read this together. AI visionary, automated expert, no-code innovator. Sounds about right. Building the future with AI and no-code technologies. Love it. Welcome to Marcin AI. My name is Marcin, so on and so on. I'm going to make this sound really, really pretty later, but for the purpose of the video, let's just copy it all. And I do really like it. And now we're going to go back to cursor and we're going to say, here is my text for the website. And also the images folder with a few images you can use from my website. I'm going to click add context. So what add context does is I'm going to point it to that images folder. So it knows I'm talking about the images folder. That's really, really important. What's happening here? Add context, search files by name. So we're going to go images. Oh, I see. Images. Why isn't it coming up? That's fine. It'll figure it out. It just says few images, text, website, and also the images folder. Let me just make this capital. Images folder with a few images you can use for my website. And then here is all the text. So now I'm going to paste all the text from the site. And now I'm going to actually say, I want you to make this site in dark theme with lots of large fonts, super modern, and shadows, animations, rollovers, and any other best practices to make the site feel badass. I mean, that's what I really wanted to say. All right, guys, here we go. So now we're going to hit next. Now, as the agent is getting to work, we are going to go back to our project because we have it. And now you're going to see in real time, we got 2 minutes left. We're almost there. That it's going to actually start creating the website. And I have a feeling it's going to do a pretty good job pretty quickly. So let's see what this thing is doing now. So I want to accept. So now the agent's working and you just want to be accepting the things that it's asking you for. And as you can see, let's go down. You can see right now it's creating the layout. It's creating the different pages. This is all in real time. This is not scripted. I want you guys to really understand, one, the power of AI, two, the simplicity of these tools. I don't know development. I would never be able to write a code of this. I barely understand how HTML works, but I've learned how to use these tools. And there's a lot. There's Lovable, there's Bolt, there's Cursor, there's so many. Tailwind, and they're only getting better and better. I'm using Cursor because I personally like it. And I think for people that are beginning, they're very generous with their credit. So you get up to 50 commands for free just by connecting your Gmail account. So that's why I like Cursor. We have 1 minute left, guys. I'm hoping this will actually work. And you can see how quickly we're able to do this. So fingers crossed, it's creating the page now. So I'm just gonna accept everything. We got 45 seconds left. I'm a little nervous to see if this will actually work. But while this is doing, if you guys like these type of challenges, I do these 10-minute AI challenges. Just give a comment, give a follow. Let me know what you want me to do next. If you have something specific, maybe it's something specific for a different niche or an industry, that's what I want to do on these channels. So I'm creating stuff for you guys, and also I'm doing it for my own businesses. So this is the beautiful part about what I'm actually doing on the channel. And I'm hoping you guys are enjoying this. So we got 20 seconds. I don't know if we're gonna make it, but the last video, if you watch the last video here or here, I literally got it down to the last second, and I was able to actually get this thing finished. So here we go. We're just about to cross 10 minutes. And we are close though. Okay, so we're officially done with the 10 minutes. So we failed, but I'm not gonna do any more work, and let's see what the website looks like. So let me stop it. Let's stop it here. We got a few errors. Okay, it's still going. This is the beautiful part of the agent that I was telling you about versus just doing it by yourself. You're just letting the agent keep going and keep going and keep going. And also the big thing when you're working with AIs, all right, here we go, run command, npm rough dev. All right, guys, fingers crossed. Let's see what it looks like. Here we, we got a compiler error, hold on. So we're just gonna pop this one in there. It looks like a font error. So that's not a big deal. So it's going to just basically update the fonts. And so we're running at 11 minutes, guys. We're close though, I know. I'm sorry that I failed you in this, but this is the reality of working with no code. But just think about what we're doing right now. We're about to have this full site done. I think we're done. Here we go. Look at this. AI visionary, automation expert, no-code innovator. Start your journey, learn more. Look at the animation. You got the rollover. You got book a call. You got my logo up here. And now we're gonna scroll. Welcome to Marcin AI. Hey, my name is Marcin. I'm at the forefront of leveraging AI from creative dynamic tools with Cursor, Lovable, what I do. AI-powered solution, no-code development, YouTube education, tech for everyone. Absolutely amazing. My background. So with over a decade of experience in the online business, I transitioned from Hollywood filmmaking to tech entrepreneur. I've built multiple 7-figure brands, and now my focus is on AI and automation. Absolutely amazing. I'm actually really, really impressed. And now we have our Connect with Me. So now this goes straight to our YouTube. Okay, it's not actually connected. And TikTok and LinkedIn, ready to build the future. Book your free call with me. Guys, you just watched 10-minute website build from start to finish. And this was with a few prompts. Imagine what you could do with the power of being able to take a little more time, planning out a little more. This was done in 10 minutes. That's the power of AI. So I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna update this. So if you actually click the link below here in the next couple days, as you're watching these videos, I'm actually gonna finish this website fully and make it look really, really nice. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give a follow. Hope you guys enjoyed Marcin AI, and let me know in the comment section what should be my next challenge. And give me a good one, because these 10-minute challenges, I'm having a lot of fun doing them. So I really appreciate your time. We'll see you in the next video.